Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi for seniors and beginners. Today, we are going to be doing a movement called grinding rice. This is going to incorporate weight shifting and turning in a circular manner. So circles. Let's open. Follow me like I am your reflection in the mirror. Shifting weight, opening the door, lifting wider. Shift the weight to the left. Step in, step out. Shift your weight forward. Shift your weight back. The hands come up and go forward as you shift your weight. The hands come back with the weight as you shift your weight back. Shifting forward. Now turn to the side as you shift your weight back and then forward. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. This is like an old man turning a grindstone. Qigong term title would be Old Man Grinding Rice. This is a grindstone that we can turn in two different directions. So shift your weight back and pull your hands back in. Turn to the side, circle out as you shift your weight forward. Inhale back, turn forward. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Step back, shifting weight, turning out the toe, stepping in, stepping out. Exhale, inhale, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Shifting, turning, breathing in, breathing out. Other direction. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Nice. Now we close. Thank you for joining me. Practice this one. Rewatch, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time.